Hello everyone, myself Ganesh Dulgar. I have completed in BCA Shah College in Pune. So today's topic is the collection in map in Java. Java map interface. A map contains value on the basis of a key. That is the key and value pair. Each key and value pair is known as the entry. A map contains unique keys. A map is useful if you have to search, update or delete element on the basic of a key. Java map hierarchy. There are two interfaces of implementing map in Java: map and sorted map, and three classes: hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. The hierarchy of Java map is given below. A map doesn't allow duplicate keys, but you can have duplicate value. Hash map and linked hash map allows null key and value, but tree map doesn't allow any null key or value. Method description: we put object key, object value. It is used to the insert an entry in the map. Void put map, void put all. It is used to the insert specified map in the map. Put absent key. We remove object keys. It is used to the delete an entry for the specified key. Boolean remove object key, object value. It removes the specified value with associated specified keys from the map. Set keys it is return the set value containing all the keys. Set map entry set the return value. The set contains all the keys values, and void clear. It is used to the result the map computer key and it is current mapped value. No current mapping. We computer absent key functions. Mapping functions it is used to the computer its value using the given mapping functions. If the specified key is not already associated with the value, null entries it into this map, unset null. Thank you very much.